All right, so I'm working on this idea of a found object color wheel, and you can see I have been on a scavenger hunt in my house and have a variety of objects ready to go to be arranged in a color wheel. Now, the first thing I'm going to do is kind of clear a space here. So you can see I have a variety of things. I have some books, I have some shoes, I have some smaller objects. And I'm going to first kind of get my collection out of the way. And I'm going to find the things that are the three primary colors. So the primary colors being, remember, red. So here are my red objects, yellow objects, and blue. I have a few blue things here as well. So I'm going to start with some red, some yellow, and some blue. And I don't have to add all of it right away. I'm kind of going to think about maybe one or two things to start with. And this is taped to the table, so we'll just leave it alone. I'm going to kind of set them up so that they are, and you can see not everything's exactly one perfect, just one color. But I'm going to kind of think circular, and I'm going to start my color wheel off by kind of making them be three spaces kind of equally apart from each other with the color. So I have my red, my yellow, and my blue. And now I'm going to add in my next colors. Yellow and red, when they're mixed together, make orange. So I have a couple of orange objects here. One is a little more truly orange and one is a little more yellow orange. So I'm gonna slide the yellow orange one kind of closer to the orange. I'm gonna see if I have something else that's orange. I have orange. There you go. A couple more orange things there. Next would be red orange, which I'm not really seeing any of right now in my little collection. Maybe as I start to unpack more, I will see more. I do have a little bit more red, so I'm gonna go ahead and put my other red thing here. So I have another red monkey. Blue and red together is purple. So I'm gonna see if I have any purple objects in my collection. Purple, what else? This is kind of light lavender. Between blue and purple would be like blue violet. If I had anything that was blue violet, I don't necessarily see any blue violet-y stuff. Between purple and red would be red violet. For this activity, I'm calling red violet pink, actually. So if you couldn't find red violet, like magenta-y is sort of red violet, and I'm, like I said, I'm using my pink objects in that spot just because those are the things that I had. I have another, maybe I'll move this darker blue thing over here closer to the purple. Another blue. Yellow and blue together make green. So I'm gonna look for my green objects. Here, I have a green highlighter. And, oh, I have a yellow highlighter. And a kazoo that's yellow. I have these kind of yellow-orange monkeys. So you can see I'm kind of, as I'm digging out more of my objects, I'm just kind of filling in some more of my space. I have more of these little monkeys that I found. And a green paper clip. And kind of a yellowy green magnet. Oh, I have these other yellow green things. Yellow green flowers. And I have a yellow green dinosaur that I'm gonna try to scoot in here. If you need to make your circle bigger, you can always expand things back. I had some bigger objects over here that I was thinking about using. Blue-green I have this kind of scraper. So you can see I am just gonna play with these things until they fit in my space. Once I'm done, what I'm gonna do is take a photograph. I am going to take a photograph of this and I'm going to upload that photo to Google Classroom for this assignment. And then in class tomorrow, hopefully by then you guys all have your paint and we will be all set to begin our first painting of a color wheel. But today I want you to have the experience of creating a color wheel with random things that you find at your place.